gotta take my kids to school. And I don't want to get out of this bed. I told the kids if they get up early, or if they're ready to go early, we can go to Dunkin Donuts and get some donuts. So let me brush my teeth. I'm tired. Well, dang, I was up late. I think I went to sleep at like 1. Well, luckily today's Wednesday, so I don't have to work out today. Today is my day off from the gym, baby, because I'm tired. I'm tired of this grandpa. Me, talk to me. I'll be the man that I need, baby. Already know. Wait. Already gave you the time and the place. So don't be shy. Just come be the man I need. Baby, I got something to give. I want it. I really love it when you call me wonderful. Oh my God, y'all. My birthday is tomorrow. It don't even feel like so much is going on right now. It's like I don't even. It's like the things I want to say, I don't want to say it because I don't want to like cast spells. Not spells, but like I don't want to, words are spelling. That's why, words cast spells. That's why it's called spelling. So I be trying to be really extremely cautious about what I say. Even if I'm thinking it, does not mean that I need to say it out loud. But I want to say it so y'all can get what I'm trying, so you can understand how I'm feeling. Like, I don't know. This birthday just feels different. It just feels like so not a birthday. Like, it just feels so like not. I don't know. We don't know. I don't really know because it's tomorrow. So how would I know? How will I know? So I'm gonna just be quiet. Anyways, let me take these kids to Dunkin Donuts to school. I'm trying to think if I should do a retwist for my birthday or what. I don't know, man. I probably should do a retwist because my hair looks kind of. I wish I could get some 2 strands. I wish I could get my hair done. That would just really be so lovely, universe. Like, that would just really make my day. Along with many other things. Anyways, let's go. Oh, it's different ones. I thought they were all gonna be. Pink one. Dang.
Give me the chocolate one with sprinkles.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Too bad you can't eat them.
Whoo, I'm gonna get me one. Great. Yum. Oh, it's matching you. I did not take my supplements yesterday, my tribiotic or my shots. So I need to do that right now. We got the V-Biotic by Clean Nutra. We got the maca root, ashwagandha, fenugreek, beetroot, L-arginine. It's a bunch of other stuff, other things in both of these. And then I got my iron phosphate. I think I'm gonna just go ahead and make today like my content day. So I am going to get cute, make a bunch of videos, and I think I'm gonna do my hair later. Since tomorrow is A Star Was Born tomorrow, so you know I gotta make sure, you feel me? Is there any in here? Oh, I gotta make sure I'm looking right. You feel me? I don't know what the heck I'm finna wear tomorrow, but I'm gonna figure it out. Anyways, cheers. Ew. That iron one is so nasty. The key to clear skin is gut health, okay? Start taking you some prebiotic, postbiotic, tribiotics, okay? Okay, I'm gonna go live while I get ready. So I guess I'll see y'all after that because I gotta make some money. I gotta make some sales, okay? I'm a saleswoman. I gotta promote these products. Say hi to my vlog. Say hey to my vlog, okay? Hey, we in the... What I'm gonna do, stop? No, I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna keep going until I get monetized, okay? We almost there, y'all. We almost there. So if you on YouTube, you wanna help a sister out, go check out my YouTube, okay? Okay, I'm off live. I finished my hair. Now I'm going to dry them because as you can see, they are still wet. And then I'm going to make my content for today. I need to make content on pretty much everything that I got on TikTok because you gotta keep promoting the products, especially the ones that I'm making sales, like toe rings, weighted vest, faded topical skincare, those fuzzy boots. It's a few other things, but I'm just gonna keep making videos. Like, you just never know. You never know which video is gonna take off. I would have never expected my weighted vest video from like June, I think it was when I posted that. It's probably at 2 something now, 2 million views. I have made the most sales off of that video from June. I never would have, a weighted vest, I would have never imagined that. So you just never know. That's why you just gotta keep promoting products, okay? If you are on TikTok shop and you need a little motivation, just keep posting stuff. Keep posting products, especially if you sell one product. I don't care if you sell one, post another video. Keep posting that product because people are interested in that product. Somebody bought it, they interested. So keep posting about it. So yeah, anyways, let me dry my hair, make these videos, and it's content creation day, okay? So if I'm not here all day talking to y'all, I'm sorry, I'm busy. Yo, I just made so many videos, but I just had to stop and show y'all. I just made a video putting these nails on, so I had to stop and show y'all what they looking like. These are the official birthday nails. I love that sound. You hear that? TikTok. You already know I got them off TikTok. But they are so freaking cute. Look at the details. Like, grow. Grow. Anyways, let me get back to work. Y'all, I asked ChatGPT to create me like a scavenger hunt for freebies tomorrow. Look how freaking cute. The one thing that they forgot is Ulta, but I've done it like 500 times just to get it to look like this. So I'm just going to write in Ulta on there on my own because I don't got time. But isn't it so cute? I love it. I'm so extra. So I'm thinking of like taking a picture at each place so that I can put it on here and then like put it in my scrapbook. I think that'll be so freaking cute. Like seriously. I'm excited. Who don't like free stuff? Well, it is currently 3:27. I'm still out here. I done created videos. I done edited videos. Now, well, that was for TikTok. Now I am editing my vlog. And the app I use is InShot. You can do it right on your phone. That's all I've been using for years. I don't know no other apps. It's like $3.99 a month. It's cool with me. So yeah, your girl been working. I feel like I should have waited till tomorrow to put these nails on. They getting in the way, but they cute. Oh, you already know, smacking sunflower seeds. This is sour cream and onion. It's mid. It's all right, but I ain't finna waste nothing, so I'ma eat them. This is where I put the shells at. It's so nice out here. I'm just soaking up the rent. You gotta enjoy every square inch of your place, okay? All right, let me get back to work.
Uterus is falling out. My uterus is falling down. My uterus. My uterus. My uterus. Lord, I got some things I need to say. Lord, I got some things I need to say.
Everyone is always like, matcha tastes like grass. Matcha tastes like grass. Well, if matcha tastes like grass, I am simply a cow. I am simply a cow flourishing off the land with no thoughts or worries of this cruel and sadistic world. Sorry, y'all. Matcha just do something to me.
Okay, I'm just getting back from picking my kids up from the Boys and Girls Club, taking my daughter to her dad's house because she forgot her freaking practice uniform, then take her to dance practice, then stopped at the bank. Now I'm back home. I love the way these sound. And I gotta pick her up at 7:45 and it's like 6:30. It's like, I had to come all the way back home, baby. Drop JJ off, use the bathroom, and go back out. And I still haven't edited my I haven't finished editing my vlog for freaking today, man. Like, I don't know about this posting every day. This is too much. This and TikTok, girl, I don't know. You guys, so tomorrow is my birthday. It is a full moon. I don't know if I've ever had a full moon on my birthday. If I did, I never really paid attention and was never really into it like that. But I'm like, that has to mean something, right? So I look it up on ChatGPT, and I'm trying to break it down because it's really extensive. I'm gonna try to. Anyways, it says your birthday and a full moon is like a cosmic reset button and an amplifier at the same time. Spiritually, people consider this one of the most potent energetic alignments you can experience in a year. I know I've been feeling some energy. But I couldn't quite put my finger on it. I looked at the moon today. I'm like, wait, it's supposed to be a full moon. I checked the calendar. I checked the weather app because it shows you when the full moon's going to be. And tomorrow. Okay, let me continue. A full moon on your birthday symbolizes a new chapter illuminated, shedding old versions of yourself, a rebirth of identity, purpose, and inner power. Intuition will be stronger. You may receive internal messages or realizations. You may feel more sensitive or reflective. That's been me, yo. That's been me. Your birthday is your personal new year, and the full moon is a time of release, completion, acknowledgement. Let go, break patterns, set intentions for who you want to be in your next year. Tomorrow is perfect for burning old limited beliefs, write and burn safely, saying affirmations of who you're becoming, journaling your visions for the next 12 months. People with a full moon birthday year tend to experience heightened intuition, stronger manifestation abilities, more vivid dreams, deeper emotional intelligence, a call towards self-healing and alignment. I was literally just saying this yesterday. Like, I need to get back into me. I need to get back into alignment, and I need to get back tuned in, tapped in with myself and the universe. Yo, that's crazy. Your next year will be filled with illumination, alignment, release, transformation, magnetism, completion. Old cycles ending. It's also a sign of spiritual protection. My ancestors are close. Your spirit guides are loud. You're being guided into a more aligned life path. You're being watched over during transitions. There's a spiritual spotlight on you. I'm excited. That's all I gotta say. Let me go pick up my daughter. Thank you guys for watching the vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you like, share, comment, all of the good things, okay? As always, I'm sending you nothing but love, peace, joy, happiness, abundance, wealth, health, all of the good things. Okay, see you tomorrow. My birthday.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months.